Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Yesterday we completed the paragraph writing where you came to know about many of the facts that you can utilize while writing a paragraph. मैंने उसके साथ साथ आपको ये भी गाइडलाइंस दी कि आप कैसे अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम कर सकते हैं टू मेक योर पैराग्राफ और पिक्चर डिस्क्राइबिंग लुक वेरी artistic and something different from what we do generally. Right, now what we are going to do today, we are going to, do you remember एक worksheet का last page रह गया था, that is of chapter number 14, right? That page I told you that you are not going to do. Why? Because that page had some questions regarding future perfect and future continuous that we have not learned this year, right? आपको अभी टेंस फ्यूचर, आपको अभी खाली 3 टेंसेस आते हैं, पास्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड फ्यूचर टेंस. अब फ्यूचर टेंस में कितने पार्ट्स है या पास्ट टेंस में कितने पार्ट्स है, दैट विल बी स्टडिंग इन क्लास 5. So this year it is not required. So what we are going to do is chapter number 14 का जो पेज है वर्कशीट में, that is the last page, you will put a cross in that page and instead of that पीछे आपका जो blank page है, today we will be writing that CW in that blank page. I have framed 10 sentences जो आपको लिखने होंगे उसी पेज में, blank page में, in the worksheet along with the answers. Right? So are you ready for today's session? Let us go for it. So children, this is the page that I was talking about, last page of the worksheet, that is of page 26, chapter number 14, future tense. यहाँ पे you can see this future perfect or future continuous. You have learned it, but उसके जो laws है that is not going to come in this year, so that you will be studying in the class 5. So what you are going to do is, as you can see, I have put a big cross, right? We'll be crossing it and we will frame another 10 sentences, right? So here I am with chapter number 14, the future. Here are some 10 sentences. Don't worry, I'll be sending the photocopy of it. So once you will finish this sentences, blank page है पीछे, उसी page में आप लिखेंगे. You will not write anywhere in your notebook. This is in the worksheet only. Alright, चलिए. The question is, use will plus verb from help box and complete the sentence. Here there is the help box and here there are the sentences. Right, chaliye. So let us begin doing this sentence. This would be your homework also. Means अभी आप जो देख रहे हैं, that you have to copy it in your worksheet. Remember that copy it in your worksheet, not in your notebook. Clear? Worksheet में ये जो पेज हमने टर्न किया, उसके पीछे का ही पेज है. This is blank. So you will write this same questions in the worksheet. चलिए, let us begin today's session. First one, we dash. चलिए, before going for the exercise, let us read the help box which is given. Scold, dance, eat, go, do, drive, watch, enjoy, come and give. Right, done. Very easy verbs. Generally we know the meaning of all these verbs. Scold माने डांटना, right? उसके अलावा जो words है वो सारे, they are all familiar words. चलिए, so let us begin this exercise. First one, we dash in our holidays. What do we do in our holidays? We enjoy in our holidays. But यहाँ पे future tense है, will लगाना है. So we will enjoy in our holidays. We will enjoy in our holidays. साथ साथ इसके you have to tick the answer. Done. चलिए, moving to the next one. They dash out next Monday. They dash out next Monday. क्या हो सकता है? They will go. Yes, they will go. You will tick go and you will write over here. They will go out next Monday. Next Monday वो बाहर जाएंगे. They will go out next Monday. Next one, my mother dash me as I broke vase. मैंने गमला तोड़ दिया है, broke the vase. So मम्मा क्या करेगी? She will, what will she do? She will scold you. Exactly, she will scold you. So my mother will scold, SCOLD, scold. My mother will scold me as I broke the vase. Clear? Next, fourth one, we dash TV later. TV को क्या कर सकते हैं? डांस, ईट, ड्राइव, वॉच. यस, टीवी को वॉच कर सकते हैं. सो टिक वॉच ओवर हियर एंड राइट द आंसर. विल watch. Why are we writing will? Because we are making or we are framing these sentences in the future tense. अभी नहीं किया है. We will be doing it in the future tense. So we will watch TV later. Done? चलिए, next one is she dash in the auditorium. Auditorium. Spell the spelling AUDITORIUM. Auditorium. Auditorium is a place where performances are done, right? Dancing, singing, acting, musical programs. जैसे मोरबी में टाउन हॉल है, right? There is a place called town hall in Morbi, जहाँ पे you can visualize many different many programs, right? So activities, acts जहाँ पे हो सकती है, that is known as auditorium. So auditorium में यहाँ पे she माने there is a girl. तो auditorium में what will be the girl doing? Eat, dance, drive, do, come, give. क्या कर सकती है? She will dance. So she will, WILL, will dance in the auditorium. She will dance in the auditorium. Done? चलो, next, come to the next one. Sixth one. My brother dash a car to work. कार को क्या कर सकते हैं? Very easy. कार को हम करेंगे drive. What are we going to do with the car? Drive. So will drive, WILL, will, DRVE, drive. My brother will drive a car to the work. Done? Moving to the next one. Jenny. It's a name, proper noun. JANNY. Jenny. Jenny dash whole ice cream. Jenny dash whole ice cream. Ice cream को क्या कर सकते हैं? Give, come, do or eat. What can we do with the ice cream? It is very simple. We can eat the ice cream. We can eat the ice cream. So here I will write Jenny will, WILL, will eat, EAT, eat the whole ice cream. Now tell me, what is the past tense of eat? Yes, it is ate, ATE, ate. हमने last week ही पढ़ा था. Past V1, V2, V3 forms. So eat, ate, ate, right? So eat, past tense, ate, ATE. चलो, moving to the next one. Honeybees dash the work whole day. Honeybees क्या करती रहती है? Do, come, give. Honeybees will give the work whole day. Honeybees will come the work whole day. Or honeybees will do the work whole day. Yes, it is the answer is do. So you will hear, we will write here, honeybees will do the work whole day. WHOLE, whole day. W is silent over here. Don't read as whole. It is WHOLE, whole. So honeybees will do the work whole day. Clear? Chale, coming to the next one. Sid dash to his uncle's place. Sid क्या करेगा? Come या give? Easy answer, come. So Sid will come to his uncle's place. What will Sid do? Sid will come to his uncle's place. Right? Now tell me, what is the past tense of come? Past tense of come is came. Clear? चलिए, last one, the last exercise, the last question of this exercise. Teacher dash us homework. Teacher will क्या करेंगे? Teacher will give us homework. Yes, this teacher also will give you homework. So what is today's homework, children? Today's homework is to write these questions. If it is fine if you are not writing the help box. अगर आप help box नहीं लिख रहे हैं तो that is fine. Here I will write the help box, HELP, help box. It is fine if you are not writing the help box, but you have to write this 10 sentences in your worksheet, same as CW in the worksheet. Make sure that you are making a cross in this page number 26 cross करके same page, यहाँ मेरा पेज निकल गया है, but आपको इसी पेज में the last page is blank, so you will write this 10 sentences in your worksheet. Clear? चलिए, hope you enjoyed this session. Till we meet tomorrow, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Take care. घर पे ही रहिए. There are many cases of corona positive nowadays in Morbi. So make sure कि अगर आपको कुछ काम नहीं है, stay home and enjoy your day. Right? Be safe. Till we meet tomorrow. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.